Hi teachers, this is Andriana, and we just finished filming our brand new Heart to Heart Talks program, where I am speaking directly to your students. When we think about how our actions make other people feel, we're using empathy. Video, kind of a lesson, running through another heart to heart chat. Now today, boys and girls, what we're going to learn about is how to become a community of helpers. Even our hearts just reflect how we're feeling each and every day. For toys, we have things like glue and tape to put them back together. For our friends, we have things like actions and words that are going to help them feel better. Now, these are called positive consequences, and they make us feel proud and happy. When we make thoughtful choices, positive things happen for us, yes, but also for all of our friends around us. When we make a mistake, we don't have to feel stuck there. It's my favorite stuffed animal fun. Now today I have something really exciting to teach you. I'm going to teach you 2 different breathing buddies that you get to be. These heart-to-heart talks are the perfect launching point for you to continue these powerful discussions with your students in your classroom. So here's to building heart-centered spaces, one conversation at a time. I'll see you in class.
Yay!
Yay!